red?
Okay. No, it's set to black right now. You want to draw something? What are you drawing?
A sea.
A what?
A sea.
A sea. Like an ocean?
Maybe with animals all everywhere.
Yes, look at those animals.
And a mermaid.
Oh, a mermaid? Tell me a little more.
Mermaid. I told ya.
Is Sammy there?
No. A cat is watching a shark try to eat him, but he doesn't like that.
No, I don't imagine he would like that very much. So what happens?
He tries to be nice to Sammy. The shark tries to be nice to Sammy.
And is Sammy nice back? So does Sammy and the shark get along?
Sometimes.
Sometimes?
I T O I'm gonna write a word. A O I Do you hear Sammy purring?
I do hear him purring.
Ta-da! It's a book.
That's a very nice book, Addie.
I'm gonna read it up.
Okay.
Once upon a time, there was a cat that watched a shark try to eat him. But in most of the world, a young caterpillar tried to save him.
Very good, Addie. Very good.
A hero called a caterpillar tried to save Sammy.
Is there a caterpillar in the picture? Can you show me?
And 2 caterpillars and 3 caterpillars.
Okay.
One on the mermaid?
Oh, there's one on the mermaid too?
But these things tickles. Oh, that's the end of the book.
The end of the book. Thank you, Addie. Thank you
No,
very
I want
much.
to keep reading it.
Okay.
Once upon a time, there was a young cat that watched it. That Sammy came. Yeah. Careful, Dad. Careful with me.
Careful, Sammy.
Careful. And then once a young cat watched the shark try to eat him. But
Okay.
no, I want it on my lap like, no. I need my book back.
Okay.
No. Write it down, Dad.
Write what down?
My book.
Okay. Now I hit this one here.
Write it down.
We hit